BoBo Kids.
Peppa Pig in her spacesuit. Hello everyone. Those are astronauts named Peppa Pig and Emily Elephant. Let's draw them together. Today Peppa Pig and her friends will wear astronaut suits. This is Emily. And this is Peppa Pig. In her hand, she also held a model of a rocket. This is Mummy Pig. She seemed angry because she didn't have an astronaut suit for her. Please wake them up. Yellow color. This astronaut suit will be yellow. Red color. Emily is a very close friend of Peppa Pig. Blue color. This rocket is blue in color. Do you like the color blue? Dark green color. Red color. Orange color. Pink color. Now, let's color Mummy Pig. Purple color. Dark green color. Wow, so we're done. Wow! See you again on the next videos.